Classification report, precision and F-score are ill-defined. I imported classification_report from scikitlearn.metrics, and when I enter my np.arrays as parameters I get the following error. Break time equals ones, greater than undefined metric warning, precision and F-score are ill-defined and being set to 0.0 in labels with no predicted samples. Precision, predicted, average, warn_4, break time equals ones, greater than undefined metric warning, recall and F-score are ill-defined and being set to 0.0 in labels with no true samples. Recall, true, average, warn_4. Here is the code. When I was not using np.array in the past it worked just fine. Any ideas on how I can correct this?
This is not an error, just a warning that not all your labels are included in your y_pred, i.e. there are some labels in your y_test that your classifier never predicts. Here is a simple reproducible example. Exact same warnings are produced for F1_score, not shown. Practically this only warns you that in the classification_report, the respective values for labels with no predicted samples, here too, will be set to 0. When I was not using np.array in the past it worked just fine. Highly doubtful, since in the example above I have used simple Python lists, and not NumPy arrays.
It means that some labels are only present in train data and some labels are only present in test dataset. Run the following codes, to understand the distribution of train and test labels. Use stratify train_test_split to get rid of the situation where some labels are present only in test dataset. It might have worked in past simply because of the random splitting of dataset. Hence, stratified splitting is always recommended. The first situation is more about model fine-tuning or choice of model.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.